What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my beautiful friend Caitlin and I did this Valentine's Day soft glam makeup tutorial on her. So I really love this look, and if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with Caitlin's clean face. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so funny. And I'm going in with Pixi's Glow Tonic to exfoliate her skin. This is a toner, it says. It's an exfoliating toner. And I'm taking this with a cotton pad and wiping it all over. And you can see all the excess makeup that came off. Now I'm going in with MAC Fix Plus. And I'm spraying this all over her face to prep her skin, and then I'm going in with Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion and applying this all over to moisturize her skin. Now I'm going in with e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, and I'm using this as a base for her foundation later on. And now I'm going in with Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencils in medium brown and deep brown. I'm using the medium brown in the front of the brows and brushing it out, and then deep brown towards the ends. She has really nice brows, guys. Now I'm going in with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC30, and I'm going to use this to define under her eyebrows and on top to really sharpen it up. Now I'm going in with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is my favorite eyeshadow base. I'm using this all over her eyelids and brushing it out up until her brow bone. So now I'm going into this new palette, Meet Matte Shmaker palette from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going into the color Matte Lumos, and I'm blending this into her crease as a nice transition color. And then I'm going into Matte Stupak, and I'm blending this into her crease to really deepen it up, and also blending it into the corner of her eyes as well. Then I'm going in with Matte Chavarin. I'm sorry if I'm not saying these names right, but I'm blending this into her crease with a more flat brush and really defining the outer corner. I'm going back in with my blending brush and blending everything out so there's no harsh lines. And now I'm going in with Matte Snyder and using this right in the corners of her eyes to really deepen it up and create definition. Now for the really pretty shade, I'm going in with Kate Chavarin and spraying it with MAC Fix Plus on a flat brush and patting this all over her eyelid. And it is so pretty. It's like a little pink shimmer. I love it so much. Then going back in and just blending out the outer corner so there's no harsh lines again. Now I'm going in with lashes. I'm using Sedusa lashes in Secret Admirer, and I have a coupon code. It's Makeup by Shani if you want a discount from them. I'm using the House of Lashes glue in the clear one or the white one because it dries clear, because I'm not going to be doing any eyeliner. Ooh, it looks so good. Time for some foundation. So now I'm going in with BECCA Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation. I'm mixing the colors Maple and Driftwood, and after mixing it, I'm applying it all over her face and blending it out. And going on to concealer, I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. I'm using this to highlight under her eyes, and I'm also going to go on her chin and also on her nose and forehead. Oh, I forgot. And also on her cupid's bow as well. And I'm going in with this Morphe brush to blend everything out. I'm not sure the number, but I'll list it down below because I can't remember the brushes by heart right now. To contour, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Stick Foundation in MINK, and I'm going around her forehead, down the sides of her nose, and the hollows of her cheekbones, and also around her jawline. Then I went in with this MAC foundation brush, and I'm using it to just blend everything out. I started around her forehead and then slowly blending out the hollows of her cheekbones. Always blend in upward motions and circular motions. And then I also went in with this foundation brush and just blended any harsh lines. So I'm going to be baking her face, and I'm using Mer The Powder to bake under her eyes. I took it on a sponge and started pressing it into her skin, right under her eyes, then also on the nose and her forehead, her chin, and also on the sides to really define that contour. I'm going in with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. Oh my god, that is so hard to say. I'm sorry. But then I'm using this to set the rest of her face and also dust away all the excess powder. Then I went in with Infidelity Contour Powder from Makeup Geek, and I'm using this to really define her cheekbones because I wanted her to look really snatched. And yeah, just contouring away. For blush, I'm going into the Morphe 9N, the Naturally Blushed palette, mixing two colors and brushing this right onto top of her cheekbones. Highlighter, I'm using one of my favorite highlighters. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator, and I'm using this to brush on top of her cheekbones. Oh my gosh, look at that glow. She is beaming. And I'm also going on to the bridge of her nose, on the tip of her nose, and also on her cupid's bow with a smaller brush. And I also wanted to get her inner corner of her eyes to be glowing, so I added a little bit there as well. Oh, and also underneath her eyebrow. It gives a nice lift to the eyebrows. And also onto the top of her eyebrows, right above it, for a nice glow. Back into the Meet Matte Shmaker palette, I'm using the brown color to define under her eyes. So after that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Always use a mascara wand because it's on a client. You never want to use it from the tube because you could give them an eye infection. And I'm using this to coat her bottom lashes and on top to blend the false lashes with the real ones. Going in with this Burt's Bees Original Chapstick to moisturize her lips, I believe. And then I'm going in with this Lime Crime Matte Velvetyne in Poly. This is lip option 1 for a Valentine's Day look. I really like this lip on her. She looks so pretty. This would definitely be a nice lip color for Valentine's Day. Ooh, work it. Yes. Option 2, I use Kat Von D Lolita. Caitlin actually really liked this color better than the other one because it's more warm tone. So after applying this, oh, she looks so good at this lip color. She was modeling this so well. So you can either keep the lip matte or you can go in with gloss. Wait, let me give her a second. Let me let her model for a second. Okay, yeah, she looks so good. Okay, and going in with BECCA Liquid Crystal Lip Topper in Rose Quartz Time Seashell, and I'm applying this all over her lips for a nice gloss, and then spraying her face with Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray to finish it off. And that's it for my Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channels for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!